Guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're doing this video on the front brake and rotors of a 2017 Maserati. I think it's the Levante S. Anyway, I was called out to do this brake job, all for rotors, all for brakes, but this video is just going to be on the front brake. Funny enough, it wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be. I actually did this job on a brake job on, I've done brake jobs on Jaguars. I think I did like one brake job before this, like maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago on another Maserati. But it was a while ago. So basically, to take the caliper off is two torque bolts. And if you guys are doing this job, you guys is gonna need, like, you guys can't just have a regular compressor, a vice grip to compress the brakes. You're gonna need a specialty brake compressor tool that actually fits inside the caliper. As you guys can see, there is no place to actually put that part of the vice grip to the inside to actually compress the brakes. The pistons on these brakes are actually on both sides of the brakes of the brake. All right, so as you guys can see, those are the bolts. They're long bolts, and this is a T10, I believe, that I used. Once you take those off, as you guys can see, you guys can take the caliper off. Now, as far as taking the brakes off the caliper, I don't know if I actually showed it in this video. I don't think I showed it in this video. Maybe this is just a rotor video that I did. In any case, the rotor is not held on by a bracket. It's held on by a screw. And lucky that, and I thought it was lucky, wait, I thought it was lucky that, for me, I thought it was lucky that, I think that T10 socket was actually, wait, no, I'm wrong. No, that was another socket for this, for the little screw that holds in the rotor. In any case, once you take that screw off, the rotor pops out. All right, it's held on by that screw, and it's an Allen screw. In any case, the rotor is like pretty easy to take off. This is a 2017. There was no rust issues with the screw itself. If you guys have worked with rust issues on these rotor screws, just know that if there's rust, and companies like Honda actually torque down, they literally torque down the screws so that it's very, very difficult. But these ones right here are Allen screws, and they're a lot easier to take out because, well, you don't have to worry about the Phillips head, because once you put it in a socket, you should be able to just, I was really careful with it. I've worked on these rotor screws before, and they're notorious in some vehicles. They're just notoriously a pain in the butt. A lot of times you'd have to drill them out, etc. But this was 2017. There was minimal rust. Took that out. The rotor came out. Popped the rotor back in. And it was not that easy. But just be sure you guys will really need a bunch of Allen and Torx bit to actually work on this vehicle. As far as the brakes are concerned, if you guys are doing the brakes on this vehicle, the brakes actually pop in from the top. There's a little spring on the top. There's a bolt on the other side of a long bolt in the middle of the brake caliper. that sets all this in. And I probably won't include the title of that in the video, because I think the majority of this video is pretty much on the rotor itself. In any case, if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section, guys. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff, guys. Take care.